Okay, so the biomolecule, chapter 9. Okay, now elements or compounds. All living organisms made up of same chemicals, that is elements or compounds. Now there is earth crust and human beings. Right now, all the elements present in a sample of earth crust are also present in a sample of living tissue, and relative abundance of carbon and hydrogen with respect to other elements is higher in living organisms than in earth crust. Now there is trichloroacetic acid, Cl3C COOH is used. Now the filtrate, that is acid soluble pool, and second one is that retent or acid insoluble fraction, and thousands of organic compounds found in acid soluble pool. Now hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur more in human body than sodium, calcium, magnesium and silicon more in earth crust, and nitrogen is very little in earth crust and negligible silicon in human body. Now there are some representative inorganic constituents of living tissues like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, H2O, NaCl, calcium carbonate, phosphate and sulfate. Now water is the most abundant chemical found in living organisms, and this water content is 70 to 90% of total cellular mass, and then proteins 10 to 15%, then carbohydrates 3%, then lipids 2%, then nucleic acids 5 to 7%, and then ions, that is 1%. And then like this is it. And then uh, there is some when the tissue is fully burned, the carbon compounds are oxidized to gaseous form, that is CO2 and water vapor. Okay, and a remaining ash is present. That ash contains calcium and magnesium. Okay, and then okay, now amino acids. These are amino acids having alpha carbon, because amino group and acidic group are the substituents on the same carbon, so this is why it is alpha amino acids. Now these are substituted methanes, and it has 4 valency, are hydrogen, carbon, carboxyl group, and